Asset management is an important part of the video production workflow that starts before you even open Premiere. I recommend that you use an external hard drive to store your video projects and files, as they can get really large and easily consume all available space on your computer's internal hard drive. When you collect assets to use in a video, they will come from different sources, from your computer's hard drive, from your camera's SD card, from a download online, or from another program that you have exported from. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you the workflow that I use. On my external hard drive, I have a folder dedicated to video projects. Inside that folder, I create subfolders, one for each of the video projects that I've been working on. Inside of that folder, I create another set of subfolders, one for each of the videos that I've made in that project. For a small video project, you can easily store all of your assets in one folder and just import them into Premiere from there. That's perfectly fine. However, I would recommend that you get in the habit early on to create a little more advanced directory structure to keep your assets separate. I recommend that we use one folder for the project files that are generated by Premiere, one folder for visuals, that is footage and stills, one folder for audio files, voiceovers and soundtracks and so forth, and then finally one folder for exports and renders of your video. So now I'm going to move these files over to the folders where they will reside. Visuals into the visual folder. Those are my video clips. I got 2 stills here. Move them into visuals as well. And I got a sound file. I want to move that into the audio. The reason it's important to have a structure to your assets is because Premiere Pro is a non-destructive video editing environment. What that means is that you don't import files or copy files into Premiere. Instead, what Premiere does when you import a file, it creates a link to the original file on the hard drive. And any modifications you make to the clip inside of Premiere are stored as instructions in Premiere and then executed on the clip without destroying the original. So what that means now is that if you change the name of your video clip, or even move the clip to a different folder, or change the name of that folder, Premiere won't know where to find it anymore, and you're going to have to relink it. It's not hard, but it can get annoying and slow you down, so I recommend that once you have placed your files into the proper directories and folders, that you leave them there and that you do not change the name afterwards. And that is the asset management workflow that I use for my Premiere work. You're welcome to use mine or develop one of your own. The main thing is that you have an asset management workflow.